Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am Lucas and this is Your Builds. We are here on a Saturday morning, headed down into Austin to go to a small car meet. We're gonna go see what the local guys here in Austin are doing. These are one of the first ones we'll be able to start to do again. We're getting out and about, learning the city. Like I said, I am very new to this town, so this is also kind of fun for me getting out and about. We're gonna go meet some of the local people, see what local guys are building, see what everybody's driving around here. This is supposed to be a pretty small meet, so it could be a kind of short, fun little video, but hopefully we find some cool local people here. That's the point. Let's find your build. Let's find that little local guy that loves their car so much but still has to drive it every day. You know, those are the kind of fun things that we're looking for. So let's go see what kind of cool guys we can find, and we'll talk to you right now.
Looks like people are just now starting to show up. Man, we got some pretty sweet rides here. Yeah, the Maserati, man, it's classic. The Triton, pretty awesome. We got behind us making some noise here. Ooh.
I'm ready when you are, man.
What's happening, guys? It sounds mean.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done a little work to it.
Yeah, it looks like it. I saw under the hood. She looks pretty mean, man.
Oh, yeah, you saw it?
Yeah, what's under there?
It's the N54.
Yeah?
And then I've gone Vargas turbos, Precision Raceworks ignition, ARM 7.5-inch intercooler. I mean, basically 305 from the factory rated. And she's putting down about 650, 675 to the rear now.
Oh, that's what everybody loves, man. Oh, I love hearing that.
Show him that shit. Oh,
Yeah.
he already saw it. Oh,
Yeah, let's see it again. I want to see it, man.
Yeah, right
I
on.
really do. I want to see what you got going. This is what we all live for, right?
Hell yeah. And custom 3-inch downpipes with race cats into 3.5-inch all the way. Turbos are mounted to the manifold. And so it replaces the manifold and the turbos and everything.
Yeah, dude. Thing is so sick, man.
Thank you, thank you.
I love projects like that.
Well, and nobody expects a 5 Series.
No, everybody does it to the 3, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's like with the one on the way, the toddler, a 14-year-old, I need a family car.
Yes.
So
The fast sedans are where it's at, man. Yeah, exactly. The saloons are, man. That's where it's at.
I still like hey, there's each one for everybody, but yeah, when you got to haul around 3 kids and a wife and everything
You
else,
gotta have something to haul them in.
ain't no reason I can't get there fast though.
Yeah. This is a true daily driver here, baby.
Oh yeah, big time.
I love it. I love it.
Me too.
Dude, nice meeting you. Lucas.
Ryan.
Ryan, nice to meet you, man. This
Great
thing
to
is
meet you.
awesome, dude.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah,
Hell
big
yeah.
shout out to Split. They're the ones that did the fabrication on the exhaust.
Okay.
Let me use their shop.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Yeah, no, they're amazing.
Hell yeah. Well, cool, man. I love it, man.
Right on, brother. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too, man. That thing is sick. The RS7 is epic, dude. The 2021. Oh man, that thing is so nice. Ooh, what do we got here? A little Hemi action. Ooh, the 6.4 liter. She looks pretty sick. Oh, look what we got down here. Oh, wait, that's my car. Ooh, look at her twin. Right next door. The twinsies. The twinsies. The twinsies. Oh my. Here we are in the JDM space. Ooh. Then we got the BRZ on bags, guys. The BRZ on bags. She looks pretty sick. What else we got? Oh man, look at this 90s Suburban with a 6-liter Vortex lock. Yes. Oh yeah.
Why?
That's kind of a fun grocery getter, don't you think, guys? Woo. New C8. Let's check this thing out, man. The new C8 looks pretty sick. Cockpit on those are pretty sweet. I will have to admit that. Oh, what do we got over here? We got some Lancer action over here.
Yep. They're like, oh, you got 3 DD214, you gotta bring this, you gotta bring that. I'm like, alright, they might want this.
And this thing's got a huge front splitter. That's awesome. That thing's massive. Oh, kind of the old school. Oh, here we go. Texas, JDM. All there, you guys.
I get connected. You get a lot of good ideas and a lot of job. What do you do for work? For work,
Ooh, here's a nice Evo. Ooh.
I want to completely think about the process. Do you think there's people that have been? I want to get walked up over California. I want to get more. Sure, let's go.
You're good. I just blew it behind me in there. Sorry.
So yesterday I was out in race cars. Some guy in a yellow Gallardo.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh man, the bags, Lincoln Continental.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, check out the R8. The R8. We love the R8s. This is another option that I've been thinking about maybe next after the Subaru. These are pretty affordable. You can get them in a manual, so you can save the manuals. Thing is gorgeous. Love your R8, man. Gorgeous. I love these cars. I've always loved this car.
Oh man, they're very comfortable.
They are, you know.
Headroom.
Yeah, they drive awesome.
Best driver. I've had vets, and this is by far this blows them away.
It, you know.
And they just came out with the mid-engine. This thing's been out since 07.
That's what I'm saying. You know, these things are animals. They'll eat those things alive. I love this thing, man. Oh, yes. That's about all we got, guys. Now, like I said, this is a pretty small little meet. Just a bunch of local guys hanging out next to the food trucks, some music going.
Is that your Continental?
What's that?
Is that your Continental?
No, not mine.
Oh, dang, I'm trying to find the owner.
She is real sweet. The blue gentleman in the turquoise shirt over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ooh, another Maserati, Triton, of course. We love the Ferrari family of motors and cars. Oh, it's so nice. We do love that. We do love that. Oh, and then we got the nice 3 Series over here. Somebody's done up. She's low. Ooh, little forged carbon interior package looks like. Yeah. Job working done. They got to do the job. Oh goodness! Let's see what this naked thing just rolled in. Now we're gonna have to go see what that thing is, or what he's got in the Eclipse. Everybody always wants the Fast and the Furious Eclipse. That thing is pretty sick. Did see a few cool old kind of cars. It was kind of cool. So it's kind of nice to see people starting to get out and about again. Us getting comfortable getting out and about again. Like I said, this is more a lot of us getting comfortable with the editing software, me getting comfortable with the cameras, that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to keep pumping out some videos here for you guys, short, long, whatever, as soon as I have content. So this will be another one, and I'll show you a few of those little things that we see
And I'm gonna try to end our videos with just some STI driving views. I'm gonna do some outside views and some inside views. Tell me what you guys think about them. Tell me what you think about the camera angles. Just gonna try some new stuff. You know, I'm gonna try to end my videos with some cool driving. So until next time, guys, later.